All right, it's 4th of July. It's beautiful out. Actually, it's super hot and muggy for what it is. And we're gonna test out, it's 2019. We're gonna test out the Karma Grip on a GoPro Hero 7 Black. All right, so this is GoPro 4K, 60 frames per second without gimbal. This is the hyper smooth in body, so it's wide, not the linear, and it's hyper smooth. We're gonna try and have a little fun. All right, let's see, where's my daughter? Where's she? Giggity, giggity. Go, 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 go. Gimbal. Okay, so now we're doing 4K wide on the Karma Gimbal. I'm fat and out of shape. No? We're on the tree! We're on the tree! We're on the tree! Watch out for the dog! So it's on the gimbal again, but now it like doesn't work. So none of the buttons are like telling the camera what's up. So we're gonna bike a little bit to show off what it's like. Oof, that's kind of dark. All right, so what if I was vlogging like this? That would be one thing.
Yeah, but at least it's to show them the shortcut.
Show them the shortcut?
Yeah.
What's the shortcut? Jason! What up? Doing a hardware test. Ready? Alright, so biking around, messing around with it. So, no gimbal. Come on, Nance. Go past me. Now, one thing is, you certainly have better control. I'm not in shape. I'm fat boy.
Can I go through the path? Let you go.
Oh, we're going up this side. Anything for love, but I won't do that. No, I won't do that. So here's what I'm telling you. This thing, it is handy. Like, I know that it's level. I know that it's smooth. However, it's not hyper smooth. So, whoa. Whoa, here we go. So I don't know. Whoa, some bumps there. I'm gonna have to use both hands for brakes here. What? And do what? No, let's get out of the bugs. We stop and itch our back in the bugs. We'll have more bug bites to itch. Come on. So, here's what I know. Here's one conclusion. The bugs are gonna bite you. Come up here. Oh, we're having fun. All right, so what are my conclusions about the GoPro Karma with this Hero 7 Black? Well, first of all, it's $300. That's way too much money. I'm not going to be spending this. I ended up returning it because I didn't think it was worth it. The second thing, it takes 6 hours to charge. That's just stupid. You know, when you plug in the Hero 7 Black to this Karma Grip, it turns off the hyper smooth. I was hoping for some ultra super mega hyper stabilization, but it was left all right. Well, here's some interesting things that I did like. So first of all, these modes that don't have hyper smooth available, like the 240 or 120 frame per second, you are going to be able to turn on or get good stabilization. So if you want to do the slow-mo and you want to have great stabilization, it's perfect for that. I was actually playing around with my son, and he was in the swing and I was going back and forth, and it was really cool to keep the horizon level, and that would be my main thing. This keeps the horizon level. I do love it. When it comes to the actual gimbal operations, it's not super intuitive. It's not great. You know, $300, it takes 6 hours to charge. You get about an hour and a half of battery life. It's just not worth it. But chasing around my daughters, if I got this thing for free, I'd probably keep it and I would find myself using, but it was fun to keep the settings on the horizon going well. But bottom line is, I don't think it's worth it at $300. It's old technology. Don't recommend it.